Yamaha has been responsible for some wonderful soundbars in recent times, and we have been big fans of the $200 YAS-106. In 2016 it was one of our favorite soundbars for cash. A lot has happened in the 2 years because it was released, however, a very powerful factor on the degree of soundbar funds could be reduced to at least one phrase: Vizio. The efficiency of the fashions such as the Vizio SB3621N-E8 and SB362An-F6 is almost as good or higher than the Yamaha at much more reasonable costs. The new Yamaha YAS-108 has much more competition than previous fashions. The YAS-108 has a lot to offer: candy design, useful options like HDMI and dual Bluetooth connectivity, and wonderful high-quality sound. It's a more slippery package than both Vizio soundbars, and it's sure to draw your justifiable personal part from followers. The Vizios are cheaper and sound louder. In fact, in case you are in Australia or the United Kingdom, the Vizio are not available there, so the Yamaha funds, like the YAS-108, symbolize the best of its kind. While prices and availability for these areas are not accessible, but you can anticipate that the value will be identical because the YAS-107 replaces $349 Australian dollars and £230, respectively,